If you clicked on this video, it means you're also struggling with oily skin and want to fix it permanently. Then this video is for you. But before we talk about fixing it, you first need to understand why oily skin happens in the first place. Your face works like a hyperactive oil factory. Your skin has tiny pores, and deep underneath them are sebaceous glands, which produce and release oil. These glands become overactive mainly because of three reasons. 1. Puberty. When your body is going through its growth phase, hormonal changes naturally increase oil production. 2. Genetics. If someone in your family has oily skin, there's a good chance you will have it too. 3. Hormones. Hormones like androgens and testosterone stimulate the sebaceous glands, causing them to produce more oil. Now let's talk about how to control oily skin so your face produces less oil and feels less greasy. First, I'll show you 3 effective methods that help reduce the activity of the sebaceous glands. After that, I'll explain 2 dermatologist treatments that can shrink the sebaceous glands for the long term. 1. Retinoids. Retinoids speed up your skin's cell turnover, which signals the sebaceous glands to produce less oil. 2. Salicylic acid. Salicylic acid penetrates deep into your pores, dissolves excess oil, and helps keep your pores clean. 3. Niacinamide. Vitamin B3. Niacinamide helps regulate sebum production and makes your skin less oily. Now let's talk about a few vitamins and nutrients that can help reduce the activity of the sebaceous glands. 1. Vitamin A-rich foods help regulate sebum production. 2. Omega-3 fatty acids help reduce inflammation and excess oil production. 3. Zinc-rich foods help support healthy oil production and sebum control. Now let's talk about 2 dermatologist treatments that can shrink the sebaceous glands for the long term. 1. Oral isotretinoin. This medication should only be taken under the supervision of a dermatologist. It directly reduces the size of the sebaceous glands, which significantly decreases oil production. 2. AviClear laser treatment. This laser targets the sebaceous glands and is designed to reduce their activity over the long term. But if you consistently follow the skincare routine I mentioned earlier, many people are able to keep oily skin well under control. And if you're still eating junk food and highly processed foods every day, stop now. Because no matter how expensive your treatments are, if your diet and lifestyle aren't under control, inflammation and oil production can increase again. Remember, you can't fix oily skin overnight, but if you follow the right science-based routine and stay consistent, within a few weeks, your skin can become noticeably less oily and much healthier. If you want more science-based skincare videos that focus only on what actually works, make sure to subscribe to the channel and make sure to share this video with people who are facing the problem of oily skin.